She has done exceptionally well.
And they all were scared after looking at you. So this is the first time inhibition. The first time inhibition goes with regular practice.
With more practice, I'm sure she's gonna lead. I'm very happy.
What about you?
I'm really satisfied, and I've seen the level of confidence has increased from year to year. I know from my part I had been I was not available here, so from my end, whatever I could give her the best, I tried my best, and the level you have tried with her yesterday and day before the yesterday's class, yes.
Before the break.
Yes, from the break. So I can really see the change in her and the level of confidence, ma'am. I must really appreciate you. You have tried your level best and they have really performed very well.
Yeah, they are. They are like, I think this is I have taken a very daring step to get into 5.5 years.
Yes.
She has been after my life
Yes, I was after her.
to start it off.
But hats off, ma'am.
But this age group is a very tricky age group, and
But
with,
I think we don't expect much.
Yes,
So
exactly.
whatever they are doing,
that's
we are
because
very
you are a
happy.
conscious educator. But generally, you don't find that kind of genre
No, that
across.
point is really correct, ma'am. On the right age, if we start, their level of confidence boosts up. That's
Actually,
really
they are at the
good.
end of their level 3, starting for the first standard, second standard. They right now have a lot of free time.
Exactly.
So right now, if we can work on their confidence, maybe they'll lead, or at least not even lead. At least they'll be confident what they're doing.
At
So
least
I
they are
am very
confident
happy.
facing the audience and everybody.
And I can see my daughter. I know my daughter has little bit of speech. She won't be very vocal about it, but she could speak so many sentences on her
And
own.
today, she was the most lowest on her pitch because she got scared.
Because of us.
And in class, she has the highest pitch. She's 5.5, and Danika, I assume, is around 7.
7 years.
So you can imagine the resonators which our lungs have for 5.5 and 7 years. In voice projection, we have learned deeply the science of resonators. So the resonators from belly only doesn't come up, but she herself is very high on her pitch. But today so this slowly breaks the confidence,
Exactly. From
breaks
the
the
classroom to the stage, the same pitch coming
Yeah.
is what we are expecting, and that will come with practice.
With
That will
practice,
come.
yes.
And that was just 11 sessions. Our kids have done 11 to 12 sessions.
Yeah.
We have learned so many words. I'm very happy.
What about you?
Ma'am, hats off to you for cracking them and for making them perform so well. And ma'am, their expressions was very nice. And seriously, ma'am, thank you so much for giving them this platform in Jaipur, and they are performing on such a.
Anya's parents.
We are very happy. As I told you earlier, Anya is an extremely shy kid, and she performing like this, like I just could not believe it. And she was really good, and she was really looking forward to your classes. My only feedback is I would want that you should take these classes 3 days or 4 days a week.
That it will not work.
Once in a
The
week.
module won't work. Your child will get bored and he will leave.
Yes.
Okay, maybe.
I think
Anya was really interested.
And-
Anya was like, Mama, I want to go more.
I totally understand the impulse, but when we are too excited to, like earlier, I was very much interested when Domino's came in Calcutta for the first time. I'm from Calcutta. Every day I used to bunk college and go to sit in Domino's. After 6 months, I left Domino's because they were much more better, big pizza joints, and you get bored with the same thing. So, and the module is same, the technique is same, but your body, your comprehension level takes time to understand it. Like, it takes time. You have to give that 6 days break.
Yeah, but it was really nice. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Anything
your
from you,
feedback?
sir?
Exactly the same. Anya is a very conscious child. She coming on stage and speaking such confidently, and I'm sure the confidence will grow with time.
Yeah.
It was wonderful to see her like that. Thank
From you, sir, anything?
Marishka is a very introvert child, but I always wanted her to be an extrovert like her mother. And I can see the change happening now. So that's all.
Thank you so much.